Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing Laplace transform using first shifting theorem. Now this is the first shifting theorem where we transform a function of t into a function of s. So here we have the exponential function multiplied by the function common ft, and this becomes a function of s where we are shifting it c units. So c represents a constant and it is considered to be shifting the function. Here we're going to find the Laplace transform of e to the minus 3t times sine 2t. Now looking at this, we can see that we're going to apply first shift theorem since we have an exponential function multiplied by a function of t. So this is ft, sine 2t represents ft, and when I transform this, I will subtract c from wherever I see s. Now let me go ahead and find the transform of sine 2t. The Laplace transform of sine 2t, that will give me 2 over s squared plus 4, because I square the 2 to get 4. Now this is the Laplace transform of sine 2t, but what we're finding is the Laplace transform of the exponential function being multiplied by sine 2t. Now I need to identify what is c. Here c is coefficient of t is for the exponential, so therefore c is equal to -3. Then I am going to subtract -3 from wherever I see s, which is just in the denominator. So subtracting c is a minus number, so that's why I have -3 all square plus 4. So I have a change of sign, this becomes positive. So here I have plus, so this is 2 over s plus 3 all square plus 4, and that's the answer. Let's look at another example where we're going to find the Laplace transform of this function, and for it to be first shift, we have to have an exponential, which will be e to the 3t multiplied by hyperbolic cos 3t. Now we have to find the Laplace transform of hyperbolic cos 3t. So the Laplace transform of this will be equal to s over s squared minus e squared to 3, so it becomes 9. Now, if you're wondering how is it that I got this, remember we can find the Laplace transform of this hyperbolic function using the general formula that we know. Remember that the hyperbolic cos at, where a represents a constant, is equal to s over s squared minus a squared. So looking at this, our a is 3, so that is why I squared the 3 and I got the 9 in the denominator. And that's the same case with the sine 2t. The general formula for sine 2t, I can have sine at, where a represents a constant. It is equal to a over s squared plus a squared. In this example that I did, a is equal to 2. So that is why my answer I have 2 over 2, this would be 4, because 2 squared is 4. So looking back at this, that's why I have 9, because 3 squared is 9. Now we are going to find the Laplace transform of e to the 3t hyperbolic cos 3t. Now I already found the Laplace transform of hyperbolic cos. It's s over s squared minus 9. Now c is a coefficient of t on the exponential. So c is equal to 3. So for this now, I'm going to subtract 3 from s, and s is in two places, so I'm going to subtract both of them. So what I will have here is s minus 3 over s minus 3 all square minus 9. So the difference is that here we have s in two places, so I have to subtract 3 from it, and the 3 is coming from the coefficient of t and the exponential. While the next example here, we have s in one place, and since c is minus 3, I will subtract minus 3 and it becomes a plus. Now the next example, we're going to find the Laplace transform of 4 times e to the minus t times t. Now here we have e to the minus t. We have also t, which represents the f of t function. So find the Laplace transform of t. That would be 1 over s squared. Now we are going to find out what is c. C is the coefficient of t, so c is negative 1. Since there's a minus sign, that means negative 1. 4, which is a constant, we can factor it out. So factoring it out, we have 4 times Laplace transform of e to the minus t times t. Now, 1 over s squared, we're going to subtract 1, negative 1 from this. So subtracting minus 1 from this, it will change the sign. So we'll have 1 minus, then minus 1, because c is minus 1, all square. No, negative and negative will make it positive. So remember, we're subtracting c, and c is negative 1. So we have 2 minus, and the signs change, so this becomes plus. So what we have is 4 times 1 over s plus 1 all square. So multiplying this 4 times 1, that's 4 all over s plus 1 all square. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.